Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me on the 2008 Porsche Boxster. This one is absolutely gorgeous with only 40,000 miles. And I bet you are same like me and you can't wait to hear the cold start of this 2.7 liter 6-cylinder engine. So let's go and hop in this beautiful cockpit. This is absolutely stunning, beautiful car. The key should be available behind this sunscreen, right? Sunshade. And here we go. It really was there. Look at it. Nice Porsche. As all of you enthusiasts know, the key is not on the right side on the Porsches, but it's actually right there. So let's put it in and put it all on. Start it up. Wow, that was pretty awesome. And as you saw, this was cold start, but that was what you hear inside of the cabin. Let's put the camera behind the vehicle and hear from there. And you just perfectly heard how sounds the stock exhaust on a 2008 Porsche Boxster. Excuse me, or don't be mad that I didn't rev it up. The engine is cold, I have respect for it, so I didn't do that. I hope you enjoyed this video and please be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. See you later.